Hello, welcome to PingSMS.
Welcome to the first tutorial of PingSMS on Quick SMS feature. For that, open your web browser.
Type in the pingsms.in URL. This will lead you to the PingSMS main page. Over here you can see the front home page. If you are not a user in PingSMS, please click on the sign up button to register yourself and get yourself an account in PingSMS. Provide the details such as the name, the username, your mobile number, and your valid email ID. To get your login credentials in your email, click on the I agree button and click on register. Once you click on register, you'll receive the login credentials in your email. Then click on login button. Over here, type in the username that you have received and along with it the password corresponding to your username. Click on login. With this, you will be redirected to the dashboard of PingSMS. Now we'll go to Quick SMS feature. Click on Quick SMS. Over here, you need to select the SMS type, either transactional or promotional. Over here I'm selecting transactional
And selecting the sender ID as PNG SMS.
Next, you need to type in the numbers to whom you want to send the SMS. Type in the numbers. After typing the contact numbers, next you need to select the language, either English or Unicode. Once you click on Unicode, you will get a list of different languages available that are supported by Google and by which you can send the SMS. For now, we are sticking to English. Type in the message in the message box. This is a test message. Next, you can click on the send now, or you can schedule your SMS to send it later on a specific time. For now, we'll be clicking on send now. Once you click on it, you'll get the details.
SMS type as transactional, total numbers is 2, SMS length as 22, SMS count as 1, SMS language is English, and total debit of 2 SMS from your account. After confirming the details, we'll click on send.
Next, once the messages will be delivered, success message will display. Click on the OK button. Your SMS have been delivered to the respective contact numbers. Now, we can log out from this panel by clicking the logout button on the top right corner. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you next time on the next tutorial of PingSMS.